Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to make coconut milk rice. This is a very easy preparation and it's also very delicious. Let's check out how to make this awesome coconut milk rice. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. To make coconut milk rice, we have taken 3 cups of Basmati chawal or long grain rice which we have washed thoroughly and soaked in water for about half an hour. We've also taken 3 cups of thick coconut milk and 1 cinnamon or dalchini, 2 to 3 cloves or long, 3 green cardamom or elaichi and 2 to 3 kali miri or peppercorns, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoon cashew nuts or kaju, out of which 1 tablespoon will be used while preparing the dish itself and 1 tablespoon to garnish, salt to taste, and 1 onion which has been sliced thinly like this, and 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, and oil to saute. So let's heat some oil in a pan. This is a heavy bottomed pan or a kadai. Once the oil is hot, let's add in the jeera or cumin seeds and allow them to dance about a bit. Cumin seeds have spluttered. Now let's add the whole dry garam masala. That is 1 dalchini, cardamom, kali miri and long. Let's cook this for about half a minute. Okay, so now let's add in the broken cashews. So these cashews have basically been halved, just broken into two. We have to saute till the cashews turn slightly golden brown. We don't want to brown them too much. And then let's add in the finely chopped onions. Also, let's add the green chilies and red chilies and saute all of these until the onions turn slightly translucent and the green chilies have been kind of cooked. So the raw flavor in the green chilies is gone and the onions have turned translucent. So now I'm adding in the rice, which has been soaked in water for about half an hour. Let's saute this, mix the rice in. And now let's add the coconut milk. This basmati chawal in this recipe gives a very nice flavor and taste. But if you don't have long grain rice, you can go ahead and use the regular rice as well. So here we've added 3 cups of water. So for 3 cups of rice, I have taken 3 cups of coconut milk and 3 cups of water. So the rice is going to get cooked in a total of 6 cups of liquid. Let's add salt. And just give it a mix. And now let's cover and cook this rice on a medium flame for about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so let's check on our rice. Wow, this is cooked so perfectly. And you can see every grain apart in this rice. So this is the texture we've been looking for. We've set aside the rice and heated a small skillet. And let's add some coconut oil to it. Coconut oil gives a very nice flavor, but if you don't have it, you can use any other oil. Let's add in the onions, which have been sliced into rings. And we need to saute these until they turn nice and golden brown in color. We're almost there. The onions have turned nice and golden brown in color. Let's take them out into a bowl. Set this aside. Now in the same oil, let's add in some cashews. We also need to cook these until they turn golden brown. I like the cashews a little bit on the browner side. So we've also taken these out. And now let's add the fried onions and cashews on our rice. This is amazing. Let's just give it a final stir before we can add in our grated coconut. In goes the grated coconut. You may have observed that we didn't add any grated coconut while we were cooking the rice, and that's because we anyway added coconut milk, and that's the main flavor. But this grated coconut tastes really good when we garnish it over the rice after the rice is all done. Now we've taken out the rice onto a serving plate. Today we are serving this rice with one bangan ki sabzi, and the recipe for this bangan gravy will be out soon on Desilicious kitchen, so please stay tuned. I really hope you liked this recipe of coconut milk rice. If you did, please try it out. Give us a feedback. Thank you. Take care till we meet again. Bye-bye.